Have you ever been in the middle of a project and felt like you were drowning in a sea of tasks? Or maybe you've tried using a project management tool in the past and found it to be more complicated than it was worth. So you're not alone. Many people struggle to find the right project management tool to fit their needs. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to be able to manage projects effectively. Project management tools can help you to stay organized, track your progress, and ensure that your projects are completed on time and on budget. But with so many different project management tools available, it can be difficult to know which one is right for you. Question: in this video, we're going to take a look at Quickbase and see if it's a good option for project management. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that can be used to create custom applications for a variety of purposes, including project management. It's a cloud-based platform, so you can access it from anywhere, at any time. Features: Quickbase has a number of features that make it a powerful project management tool. Here are a few of the most notable. Tasks. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, and set deadlines. Gantt charts. Gantt charts provide a visual overview of your project's timeline and progress. Reports. You can create reports to track your project's progress and identify any potential issues. Collaboration. You can collaborate with team members on tasks and documents. Integration. Quickbase integrates with a number of other applications, such as Microsoft Office, Salesforce, and Google Drive. Benefits. There are a number of benefits to using Quickbase for project management. Here are a few of the most notable. Easy to use. Quickbase is easy to learn and use, even for non-technical users. Flexible. Quickbase is highly flexible, so you can customize it to meet your specific needs. Scalable. Quickbase can scale to meet the needs of your growing business. Affordable. Quickbase is a relatively affordable project management tool. Drawbacks. There are also a few drawbacks to using Quickbase for project management. Here are a few of the most notable. Limited functionality. Quickbase doesn't have as many features as some other project management tools. Steep learning curve. While Quickbase is easy to learn, it can take some time to master all of its features. Not as intuitive as some other tools. Quickbase interface can be a bit clunky and not as intuitive as some other project management tools. Is Quickbase a good project management tool? Overall, Quickbase is a good project management tool that offers a lot of value for the price. It's easy to use, flexible, and scalable. However, it may not be the best choice for everyone. If you're looking for a project management tool with a lot of features and a more intuitive interface, you may want to consider another option. In this video, we've taken a look at Quickbase and seen if it's a good option for project management. We've discussed the features, benefits, and drawbacks of Quickbase. Ultimately, whether or not Quickbase is a good project management tool for you depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, I encourage you to visit their website or sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on project management and other business topics.